An and I'm 11 years old. I'm studying at Technical Secondary School in class 6A1. And today, I will talk about Vietnamese Women's Day and what do I hope from my mom in Vietnam Women's Day. And I will introducing her. So first, let me explain what is Vietnamese Women's Day. Vietnamese Women's Day starts at October 20th every year. And on that holiday, every Vietnamese woman will relax and will happy on that day. So, my mom is a woman and her name is Vuong. She's 37 years old and she is an officer staff. She is not very tall and slim. Her skin is dark with shoulder-length hair. So, do you know that my mother is a person I admire most? Yeah, because she divided a lot of time and energy to upbringing my brother and me. Despite working hard, she always makes time to teach us many useful things, which are necessary and important things in our lives. And I think my mother is a role model to me to follow behind. So do you know that she always gives us some explain to many difficulties problems? For example, my brother and me having difficulties problems that we can encounter. My mom will explain to us a little bit, and we will understand more and more. So my mother is a major fluent, and on Vietnamese Women's Day, I prefer her to relax and will be happy on that day. Do you think that women need to relax and will happy on that day? Yeah, and the males and children will give the women a surprise present and send message. Thank you for listening to me and goodbye. See you again.